Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about order processing in Tally. In a previous videos already we have understood purchase voucher and sales voucher. Purchase voucher and sales vouchers are used to enter the transaction about received product and sales product. But purchase order processing option is used to place orders for purchasing and selling. Means before purchasing and selling any products, first we need to place order for purchasing and selling the products. Okay, first we need to active order processing option here. That order processing option will be added in the transaction group here. So first we need to activate, then that option will be added to transactions here. So, Alt F7 from your keyboard to open company features. So go to inventory features in this, and here you can see order processing. Some 3 options we are getting in this. This enable purchase order option processing option is used to place orders with a supplier for purchase to be made for a specified price and at determined time. Means on what rate and on which day you are going to place this order, that you are going to enter in this purchase order processing. Next, this option we are going to say as here. Next one, enable sales order processing means what? Whether you are going to sell the products on a specified price and at a determined time, that we are going to enter in this enable sales order processing as. Okay, accept it. And here you can see in a transaction option, order voucher option is active now. Okay, go to order vouchers. Press Alt F4 to open purchase order processing here. Okay, next one, here you can, like how we are done in a purchase voucher and sales voucher, the same thing we are going to enter in the purchase order. But only the difference is we are going to declare the rate and quantity and date on which day we are going to receive the product. That things we are going to enter in a purchase order. But in a purchase voucher, what things we are going to enter is, after purchasing whatever products we have received, that entries we are making in the purchase voucher. This is before purchasing the items, we are going to enter details about the products. Press Alt C to create the sender creditor name. Okay, I will write Ramesh here. Okay, here is what sender creditor, and accept it. Okay, here we are going to write address about the Ramesh, and here I am writing Rajaji Nagar, Bangalore. Okay, and here is what sales tax number. If he has any specific sales tax number, that you need to write here. And more terms of payment means if you are going by paying by cash, that you are going to write here. And I am leaving this other reference in terms of delivery. Here dispatch through train I will take. And destination Shivaji Nagar I will take. Okay, next one, take enter, and here we need to enter order number. Already by default it takes as a 1, 2, 3 as a serial numbers, but if you want to change that, you can change. Okay, take enter, and here we need to select the purchase ledger, and here we need to take the item name. Already I have created mobile, and here we need to enter the quantity. 10 number of items I am going to receive. For each item 15,000 I will consider. Okay, take enter and accept it. Press Alt F5 from your keyboard to open sales order processing, and here we need to select party account name, means sender data name. Press Alt C to create sender data name. Okay, next one, here we need to write the sender data name, and here is what sender details. Okay, take enter, and here we need to write the address of the sender data, Neel Nagar, Bangalore. Take enter, and here we need to write the sender data sales tax number, and you are paying by cash or else bank, that we need to take. And dispatch through train I am going to take, and destination Vishnagar, Ramnagar I will take enter. Okay, here we are going to place sales order, mobile I will take. Okay, next one, order number and quantity here we need to take 5 quantity. I'm going to write sales order because still that much quantity I have not got, now I have not received, so it is showing in a minus. Okay, next here amount for each item I will take as a 10,000. Okay, take enter, accept it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.